Hi everyone, I just wanted to come on here really quickly and do a quick sit down video on how I got my hair this color. I use the Box Dye Dark and Lovely number 378 Honey Blonde. I did not use any bleach in my hair. My natural hair is really dark, a really black dark brown color, and didn't use any bleach. I just used the Box Dye to get this color, and I just wanted to do like a sit down explain video because I did not record me actually like doing my hair, so I thought like I'll just come on here and explain how I did it. So the first thing I did was I divided my hair in I'll say 6 sections all over, and then the box says that you should put it on your roots first, but I don't listen to that. I put it on the ends first because I feel like the roots process faster than the ends. So I put it, after I divided my hair in 6 sections, I put it directly on my ends, and I just went like this, and I use a really fine tooth comb and combed it out. Then after I put all the hair dye on my ends first and combed my ends out, I put a Walmart bag over my head, or you can use a shower cap, plastic shower cap, but I used the Walmart bag, plastic bag over my head, left it on there for at least 25 minutes. So didn't put anything on my roots. I just put it on my ends first, left it on there for at least 25 minutes. Then my hair started to lift like this color. I started to see my hair brightening. So then I immediately took the rest of the applicator and put it all over my roots, and then I just combed each section from ends to roots, going up, and just combed it all out. Left it on my roots for at least 20 minutes. So altogether, the product was on my hair, the hair dye was on my hair for at least 45 to close to 50 minutes. First, I rinsed out my hair with warm water, and then I applied the conditioner that came with the hair dye. Add all over my hair, detangle my hair with a white tooth comb, left the conditioner in my hair for at least 5 to 8 minutes, rinsed it out. Then I used a clarifying shampoo, clarified my hair, washed my hair at least twice. So I used a clarifying shampoo, and then I used a moisturizing shampoo. Then after that, I used a purple conditioner. They said that to take out the brassiness and all that stuff, you have to use a purple conditioner. So I used a purple conditioner. So I used a purple conditioner on my hair, left it on for at least 10 minutes. Yeah, left it on for 10 minutes, rinsed it out. And that was it. So this is how I got the color. Yeah, I didn't record it, but I thought if anybody was interested in dyeing their hair, I wanted to get this color, I thought I just sat down and explained how I did it really quickly. So if I can just go over it again really quick. First step is to, oh, I forgot, I added Vaseline all over my edges first. I forgot to say that, sorry. So the first step is to divide your hair within 6 to 8 sections. That's what I did. You can do 4 sections, you can do how many sections you want, but I did 6 sections. Then take the Vaseline, add it all over your edges, your neck, ears, put the Vaseline everywhere. Well, not everywhere. Don't put the Vaseline all over your face. Just put the Vaseline all over your edges, right? Second step is to take the applicator with the hair dye in it, put it all over your ends first, rub it in really good, then take a small fine tooth comb, comb it out, you know, rub it and comb it out. Put the plastic cap on, or a shower cap, leave it on for at least 25 going on 30 minutes. Then after 25-30 minutes, hurry up and put it all on your put it all over your scalp, you know, and then brush it through. Use the white tooth comb to comb out your hair all over again. Put the cap back on, leave it on for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse your hair out with warm water. Use the conditioner that came with the hair box dye. Leave that conditioner on for 5 minutes. Use a clarifying shampoo after, or you can just use a moisturizing shampoo. Wash your hair once or twice. Then use a you can use a conditioner, regular conditioner, and then use the purple conditioner after that. Leave the purple conditioner on there for at least 10 minutes. Rinse it out, and this is how you get this color without any bleach. So I just explained step by step without actually showing you guys how I did it. It would have been nice if I made a tutorial, but I didn't think about that. I didn't think about recording myself and doing that. But maybe like when I touch up my roots, I'll show you guys how I touch up my roots. But I thought this was a nice color to do in my hair like before fall. You know, I was tired of my boring black. I love my black hair. I love my dark hair color, but I wanted something different. I wanted to like do something different. So thank you guys for watching my video, and stay tuned for more. Bye.